Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you something special. That is how to make the stairs, and that could be the circulars, and that could be the linear one as well. You can make them step by step. So now be with me, don't go anywhere, and please don't skip the video and watch it up to end. So now listen with me. First I'm trying to make the linear one, and that is like draw a line of 10, okay, and draw a line of 3. Now make an offset of this line 3, sorry, over offset 3, and make an offset of 10 from this. Okay, now take offset from this line 1 1 1 1 1, so you will get 10 portions of offset 1 again, okay. Now I'm going to do boundary inside the portions. Okay, I'm going to do boundary inside the portions that I want to extrude as the regions. Now I'm going to select this, okay, and EXT for extrude, this one, this one, this one, this one, these, all. Okay, and I'm going to extrude up to 1. Now we see this is okay. Now what to do right now is you have to take the second stair and put it on the first one at the top. How? Just move it from hold from this region and just keep it up to here. Now there is some error. Okay, and okay, move and hold and for move, hold it from here and put it here, and so on. You can put one by one on the top of the first tier, and you will get such kind of stairs like now, and so on. Now like I don't know why the mouse is not working properly. So I hope you understand how to make the linear stairs. Okay, so thanks for watching, wish you all the best.